In this video, we will understand how to define validation related details when using group function of FormBuilder class. This is the code snippet we used in the previous video to represent an example for group function. This code snippet does not apply any validation. Now let us assume that status field must be defined as mandatory field. This is the changed code snippet that has mandatory field validation defined in status. The value of status field is defined as an array. The first item represents the initial form control value. The second item contains the validator for mandatory field. Now we will look into the syntax when we need to define more than one validation on a form control. The name should be mandatory, containing minimum 3 characters, and it can have only alphabets and space. This will be the code snippet that applies all the 3 validations on the name property. The value of name is defined as an array of 2 items. The first item represents the initial value of the form control. The second item is another array that contains the 3 validators. This represents mandatory field validator, the next one has minimum length validator, and the last one has the pattern validator for allowing only alphabets and spaces. Hope these examples help you understand how validation can be defined in group function. Let me summarize the learnings that we had from this video. A form control with no validation can contain just the value. A form control having a single validation should be defined as an array containing 2 items, with first array item having the value and the second array item containing the validator. A form control having multiple validations should be defined as an array containing 2 items, with first array item having the value and the second array item should be an array containing the validators. Hope this video helps to understand how validations can be defined when using group function. In the next video, we will understand about array function in FormBuilder class.